One, two, three, four.
Lunch dates and coffee breaks, Tuesdays and random days. It's how we spend the worst days of our lives. Your sister doesn't like me much. Your father thinks that I'm a nut. Your son and daughter just don't wanna choose. Think it's time to get away and see. There's a big old world and it's calling you and me. Seattle's cold and I don't like New Orleans. There's a place I know would fit for you and me. Let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. Already my best friend. Don't you be my new wife? I don't like living. You don't have much to trust in. You're scared to love again. I don't wanna miss a blessing. In Carolina, Carolina. The weather's nice and the leaves still turn. We can settle down and the kids can learn that home isn't a place but a feeling. There's American pride and Southern charm, Sunday school and lots of arms. We can spend the rest of our lives. Let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. You're already my best friend. Don't you be my new wife? I don't like living. You don't have much to trust in. You're scared to love again. I don't wanna miss a blessing. In Carolina, 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 Carolina. Truthfully, I don't care what you do, what you wear. If I catch you drinking coffee from my cup, 'cause when you look me in the eyes, my whole world stops inside. I can't see myself anywhere without you. Let's go to Carolina. We could start a new life. You're already my best friend, but don't you be my new wife? I don't like living. You don't have much to trust in. You're scared to love again. I don't wanna miss the blessing. In Carolina, 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 yeah. In the smoky light and in the rain, working through the night and through the haze, you lay it down each day with heavy eyes, just to wake again, just as tired. So may every morning find the mercy new, and light enough to shine upon the fallow fields. I can see your heart beneath the dirt. You put your weary hands into the work, a needle and a thread to mend the seams, a heartbeat and a breath to plant the seed. So may every morning find the mercy new, and light enough to shine upon the fallow fields. So may every blossom break into the day, up from underneath the gravel and the clay. Lift your eyes and see above the leaves, above the war-torn dreams. I am here, so put your hand in mine. You're not alone, I'll be by your side through it all. So may every morning find the mercy new, and light enough to shine upon the fallow fields. So may every blossom break